Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am here with my Hadara cup, H bar, Hadara, Hashgraph, Hello Future. I hope you guys are having a great day. What is going to happen today, man? What is going to happen today? The market, huh? What a crazy, crazy day. Pearl stand at 5.4. All right. I believe that today's inflation should come in at 5.4. I believe that PPI expectations is 5.4. Yeah. We're going to get the report in around 22 minutes. Flacco, good morning. How you doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. I am just drinking my coffee from my Hadara cup. This is a custom design. If anybody wants to comp one of these, this is Hadara, H-bar, Hadara, Hashgraph, Hello Future, and then you actually have the Hadara DAG right here. This is the direct cyclograph of Hadara. If anybody wants one of these cool cups, including a really cool other merchandise, let me know. Oh, Mr. Brown, how you doing? When does this come out? Good news or bad news, brother? Hoping for a pumping very good with my algo bag. Hope you're doing good. Yo, Damien, I'm gonna make you a special cup for Algorand. I'm gonna call you Mr. Bags. I'm gonna make like somebody holding an Algorand bag. That's for you. You better get one, so you could drink your Mr. Algo Bags cup in the morning. The report is gonna come out in 21 minutes, and if the report comes in as expected or below, expect crypto and stocks to keep pumping up until the next FOMC, which is going to be next week. Good morning, Bear. How you doing, my brother? Good to see you. Shout out to my man, Bear. Welcome to New York City, bro. Welcome to New York City. Welcome to New York City. Let's see. How's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing today? We should be getting 5.4%, if I'm not mistaken, for the PPI, which is the Producer Price Index. Remember, you're going to get two readings. You're going to get year over year and month over month. It is okay to get an increase month over month. The increase month over month is okay. You know how they say, hey, we're supposed to have 2% inflation? Okay, which means that you're going to take 2% divided by 12 months, and you're going to get a number. That number is going to be like 1 point something. So it's okay to get month by month increase of inflation. I'm sorry, it's going to be under 1, but you get what I'm saying. So month over month inflation, and then you have yearly inflation. Wow, 35 people for the live stream. This is interesting. Guys, we're going to have in around 19 minutes, we're going to have the PPI. Let me see if I can get some people talking on YouTube about what's happening with inflation. Give me one moment. Let me see if I could pull up something. PPI. Let's see if I could pull something up. How is crypto doing right now, by the way? So crypto market is solid. Bitcoin is right where it was yesterday, 24,800 or so. And stocks are actually down pre-market. Stocks are down pre-market, which is interesting. We're going to see what's going to happen. Maybe people don't think that the PPI is going to come out on as expected. So we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see what's going to happen. But do you guys think inflation's actually going down? Do you guys actually feel inflation going down? Like, seriously, I don't feel inflation is going down. We got 6% yesterday, so they're saying that inflation is 6%. Do you feel like inflation is 6%? Really? Do you feel like it? I don't feel that it is. I don't feel that it is. How's everybody doing today? Is everyone doing okay? Everyone is safe, sound, warm. I know Bear is not warm. Bear is in New York City. Wow, look how many comments we have all of a sudden. Yo, it's so funny. I don't see any comments, and all of a sudden, like a million comments just popped up. Yeah, you want to miss the bags? You want to miss the bags, Algo? Got you. You can have it. Yeah, the weather is no fun, right? No bueno. It's cold here. New York. Yo, you know New York is freaking like mad cold right now. It's practically April and it's so cold. The whole summer we don't have any wind the whole winter we don't have any cold. All of a sudden it's cold, it's snowing, all of these things. Like, yo, come on, man. It sucks. Every day, Algonaut. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Every day you should get my Algorand cup and you should drink Algorand every day from the cup. I got an Eat Sleep Algorand Repeat cup for the morning when you're drinking coffee or tea. King Lex, what's up, buddy? All hail King Lex. What's up? Good morning, my brother. Good morning, good morning. Doing great. That's what I love to hear. I like when people are doing great, man. I love when people are doing great. Any predictions for today, King? What do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going to get PPI on par as expected? You think it's going to come in lower, hotter? What do you think? Bo Rabbit, what's up, what's up, what's up? Yo, Mr. Jordan, good morning. How are you doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Doc, good morning. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, Doc. Thank you so much for being a channel member. I appreciate it. Thank you very, very much. If you guys want to support the channel and show me some love for all the amazing videos and content and live streams that I do, I have channel membership. It's $3 a month. If you guys don't want to support the channel, that's quite all right as well. Not a problem. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You don't think that we're going to be high or you don't think we're going to be low? I don't feel it. South Carolina is freaking nice, man. It's cold here. If U.S. financial market will collapse, the crypto will go up after its alternative. Oh, man, that's going to be a very interesting situation. Nobody really knows. I'll be honest with you. Like, people don't realize how much infiltration there is in the crypto market. People don't realize how infiltrated cryptocurrency is by big business, and big business is going to do what's good for their pockets, and essentially big business doing good what's good for their pockets is what's good by the government. So I don't know, but in theory cryptocurrency should be going through the freaking roof, right? Like, seriously, think about it. This is exactly what crypto was built for. This is what I try to explain to people, that crypto, this dream, this ideology, the ideology of crypto is now overtaken by the reality of crypto. Crypto is not the institution. Crypto is no longer, it's not that anymore. It used to be. It's not. That thesis is broken. Right now, crypto should be going through the roof. Think about it. Banks are collapsing. The whole point crypto is here is because the banks collapsed in 2008. That's why it happened. The reason Bitcoin was born was because of the fall of the banking institutions in 2008. All these years, whenever we had bad news for the economy, instability, this was great news for crypto. But what's happening now? You see what I'm trying to say? Like, crypto is just not what it used to be. That's a fact. So anybody investing into crypto because they think that this is going to be a safe haven against the institutions, I don't think that's going to happen anymore, because the institutions are the ones that control Bitcoin. The institutions are the ones that control crypto. You don't believe me? Check it out. Go look who owns the most of every single cryptocurrency. Seriously, go look at all the whales. I guarantee you institutions are, if not the majority, close to being the majority. I'm talking about big corporations. Think about it. Go take a look. Bitcoin too. Who owns the most Bitcoin? The mining corporations? Maybe. I don't know. The mining camps? But who are they? They're not individual people. They're corporations. Now, I'm overgeneralizing it, but you guys get what I'm saying. Check it out. Yeah, I hear what you're saying. No, inflation's not going down. Hey, good morning. How are you? Good to see you. Good morning. Is HBAR susceptible to security risk? HBAR itself is the cryptocurrency, is the native currency to Hedera Hashgraph. Hedera Hashgraph itself is not, as we know, susceptible to any security risk right now. Also, Hedera uses something called ABFT, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, which basically means that even if they're attacked, as long as one of the nodes is working, there's no leader with Hedera, which means that as long as one node is working, Hedera Hashgraph can keep working until everything is fixed, until the attack is fixed. In theory, any crypto, in theory, if attacked strong enough, can be overtaken. For example, Bitcoin, 51% attack. Hedera is a 2/3 attack. Algorand is a 50% attack, right? Like 51% or something. So it's a, if the majority is attacking, it could be. But that's why we try to have as many people as possible that run nodes. So yeah, I hope that answered your question as best as possible. Algo flop. I don't know what that means. Thanks for live feed. Amazing work. Thank you so much. I'm trying so hard. I'm trying. Guys, the PPI report is coming out in 11 minutes. I'm just chatting. You guys can ask me questions about real estate. You guys can ask me questions about stocks. You guys can ask me questions about cryptocurrency. Woo! Let's go! We just got a new member. Let's go, let's go, let's go. King Lex, thank you so much. All hail King Lex. Whoop, 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 whoop. Thank you so much for being a channel member. I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Yo, channel membership, $3 a month. I am working on a few things for my stock people with channel memberships. I'm going to update my public portfolio. I used to have it for my Patreons, but now I'm going to share it with you guys, my stock portfolio. And for my crypto people, I'm going to make a free crypto course for my channel members. I'm going to make like a whole chapters and everything. That's what I'm planning. Talk about crypto generation 1, 2, 3, how to set up a wallet, how to set up a ledger, and talk about a lot of different things. So I'm trying to give you guys as much as possible back, but I probably give back more to my channel than any of these people with paid walls. I do have a free Discord. Thank you one more time for the channel membership. I really do appreciate it. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you very, very much. I have got my Algorand socks. Nice, man. That's what's up. Nice, nice, nice. Good morning. Good morning, John. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, David. Was in Rockland most of yesterday afternoon. Was like 10 degrees colder up there. Yeah, forget that. Better than expected. Yeah. I believe we will get good news considering the crypto weather and you have given us. I hope so. Yo, GS Strategies. This is my partner. This Monday, we're going to film another live. If you guys missed it, that's my technical dude. He's a stock guy, really heavy into options trading. He trades, 5 and 6 figure swings in options. He's not trading like $1 at a time. He's trading some pretty big numbers. And if you guys want to follow him for stocks, GS Strategies, we have a podcast that we do every Monday at 10 o'clock at night, plus or minus. So we're going to be doing it this Monday as well. We're going to talk about the economy. We're going to talk about crypto. We're going to talk about stocks. We're going to talk about real estate. Yo, there's this little fly. You see this freaking guy? I don't know how he got in here. Basically, my studio is a bunker. I don't understand how this little guy came in here, and I can't kill him. You know why? He keeps hiding on the black pieces. My whole studio is black. Everything's black except for like these few white pieces. My studio's black, so it doesn't reflect light. And I don't know where this fly is coming from, but he pisses me off. Shout out to Gabe. Follow his channel. Follow us on Monday. Adam, have you looked into Jasmy? I have not looked into Jasmy yet. I do a little bit of research into it. If you guys really want me to make a video, I will. It's very hard for me to make videos on certain cryptos because a lot of people just jump the bandwagons. Guys, be very, very careful about people that cover certain cryptos. And a lot of times people will say, this is going to the moon. We're going to be freaking rich. We're going to be freaking rich. And if you go back a year from now, they were screaming the same shit about Solana, for example, before it went down, right? And quoting these crazy numbers, right? I thought Bitcoin was going to go to 100,000. That's what I thought it would. And I'll be honest, that's what I was saying. But some people were saying, no, this last bull run, Bitcoin's going to go to $1 million. And they selling you clicks and likes. Now, I don't know anything about Jasmy, but I know that Jasmy is all over the internet. All of a sudden, it is the second coming, the Messiah of crypto. This is the shit that's going to make everybody so much money. Now, it could not. I didn't do research. Just be very, very careful about trends and what people are pushing. A lot of YouTubers will just push you shit. I get so much shit on my channel. People are commenting, why do you only cover Algorand? Why do you only cover Hedera? Why do you only cover Quant? Why? Because I like those projects. Those are legitimate projects, and I'm not going to sell my ass just for clicks and likes. Yes, I do thumbnails and a little meme shit like that, but be very careful the shit that you're looking into. People on YouTube, they will sell you shit just to get clicks and likes. And when Jasmy falls, or if it falls, and I have no idea, I don't know anything about the project. I'll do a video on it. When shit falls, they're nowhere to be seen. You know, the people that are saying that, oh, Solana, buy Solana right now, the Solana price is going to go back up to 100, blah, 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 are the same people that were saying Solana was going to go to $1,000 a Solana, right? Be very careful with what people are pushing you, because they're going to push you. And this shit is hot right now. Everybody's talking about Jasmy. It's really interesting. And you could see a trend. YouTubers will talk about the hottest ticket on crypto, but they won't talk about what they're actually freaking buying. They don't put their money where their mouth is. That's a problem, including in stocks. These YouTubers for stocks, a lot of them, they're freaking schmucks. They're clowns. Not all of them, but a lot of them. If you guys want to see exposures, go check out my man Echoes from Above. He does 1 million exposure videos. Some are good, some are not. I don't agree with some of them. But he has a whole crew of people that I don't want to mention that I agree with him on the shit that he's talking. And he does like a whole exposure stuff. Be very careful what people are pushing. And they'll push penny stocks on you. Penny stocks. That's what I'm talking about. Some stupid shit. All right? So be very careful. My Jewish brother from another mother. Shout out to you. That feeling in comments was the reduced inflation, no changes, still expenses down. Yeah, man. Good morning, GS. Love your content, Adam. Thank you so much, Martin. I really appreciate you. Thank you very much. Ha! I killed that fucker. I got him. That's the mosquito. Remember the one that I couldn't find? He went down on my white desk, and I saw him. He fucked up. BlackRock, Adam. Yeah. Thank you so much. You're the man. Thank you. No, you're the man. Thank you for your support. Really. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. The user interface needs to be easy for use of mom and pops and better adoption. We're almost there, but not yet. 100%. I completely agree with you. That is one of the reasons why I like Algorand so much. Algorand right now, bro, Algorand's so freaking under the radar. I don't know. I don't know, bro. It's so under the radar. John Allen Wood, who was a technical contributor to Cardano, he was basically the team right before Charles Hoskinson, and Cardano is now our CTO, Chief Technology Officer. John Allen Wood is setting up two things. It's literally going to be a click. AlgoKit, which allows you to deploy smart contracts with one click, and node one click. So you're going to set up a node, a validation node with one click. That's it. You literally need a laptop. You plug in your laptop. You press a button. That's it. Super freaking easy. And they're getting no freaking love. Algorand gets no love. So weird. The funniest thing is, Algorand has the easiest DeFi I've ever seen to use. Easiest. And after Algorand, Hedera, and then everybody else is shit. Shit. Algorand, the best DeFi to use, the smoothest one click, followed by Hedera, and everybody else sucks. Now, I haven't used everybody, but this comment is completely right. You need a user interface to make shit easy. So, for example, my man Gabe, we were talking about crypto. He's not a crypto guy. I'm not a technical guy, but we have a conversation, and that's why it was so good, our podcast, because we respected each other's opinion and we were open to listen. That's why I think the podcast worked. If you guys checked us out on Monday, we had like 4,000 people on the podcast. It was great. We had like 4,000. It was crazy. But in order for me to explain crypto to Gabe, who's a technical guy, I need to show him how to use the DeFi, which is decentralized finance. I can't show him all of this crazy setup shit. I need to give him one-click answers, right? To talk to people about crypto. And until that happens, it won't be adopted. So you're 100% correct. Glad to have you all here today. Shout out, shout out, shout out. Please take a second to smash the like button. Yeah, please. I'll appreciate that. Let me pull up the PPI. I think the PPI is going to be 5.4% if I'm not mistaken. 5.4% is what we're supposed to have. Let me pull up the PPI data. PPI report. A second. All right. It's not out yet. It should be out in just a moment. Is Hashport using a bridge to communicate with Ethereum? If so, do they cross the bridge like... I wouldn't be able to tell you that. You should contact Hashport. Any thoughts on Swift as the KISO rolls out this weekend? Seems like... So nothing about that, but just be aware. The ISO, let me see if this thing, the ISO 222 is just a messaging language for Swift. Blockchains and blockchain coins are not inherently coded with ISO 222. What that means is that a project has ISO 222 compatibility, which means somebody can build a decentralized application using ISO 222 messaging language in that application. But blockchains and crypto inherently are not ISO 222 anything. That's what it means. So be very, very careful when people are saying ISO 222. I've been saying that shit for quite a while, and yeah, and I can't win with either crowd. So nothing more than what you just said. Where are you from? I'm from Brooklyn, New York. All right. The PPI, the producer price index, decreased 0.1% in February. Seasonally adjusted U.S. Bureau of Statistics final demand prices advanced 0.3% in January and declined 0.2% in December. Okay. And adjusted, it looks like we got a good report. In February, the decline in the final demand index was led by prices for final demand goods, which fell 0.2%. The index for final demand less foods, energy, and trade services increased 0.2% in February after rising 0.5% in January. Okay, that's good. I believe this is a good report. Prices for final demand and trade services advanced 4.4%. Final goods, the index for final demand goods fell 0.2% in February. Fell. So we fell 0.2%, following a 1.2% advance. The index for final demand rose. Energy moved down 0.2%. In contrast, prices for final demand, good, less food, and energy rose 0.3%. February, and then we have March, 6, 7. Let me go back here. Let's do a PDF. If I'm not mistaken, this is actually a good report. Yeah, this is going to be a good report, it looks like. So final demand goods was up and then it dropped. Any sharp drops look good. So this is where we were in December. We went up like crazy and now we're dropping back. That's a good one, I believe. And then this is going down as per normal. So we definitely have a downtrend. Let me just check the markets really fast. Yeah, and crypto went up right away. Bitcoin just hit over 25,000. So I believe that this is actually a good report. Final demand index fell 0.2%. Fall is good. 0.1% for final down, went down. Okay. 6.7 March, 7.1. All right, so this is what it was in 2022. We went 6.7. We went 7.1. Sorry, change of fund 12 months ago, unadjusted. Change of fund less food. 1 second. Yeah. So it keeps going down the numbers, which is good. I believe that this is a good report. And as you can see, the numbers keep going down. 10-4, 11-7, 11-2, 11-1, 11-2, 9-7, 8-7, 8-5, 8-2, 7-3, 6-5, 5-7, 4-6. I believe this is going to be a good report, and I believe that we're going to have a little bit of a run right now. Let's see what's going to happen. Bitcoin is above 25,000. Let me check out what's happening right now in the stock market. Give me one moment. Guys, I need to have a better system for charting. I don't have a good system for charts, like to check, flows. But let me try to check really fast what's happening with the market. So let's see. So NASDAQ seems like it's still below pre-market, but that's on my app. I don't know if my app is loading or not. It looks like my Robinhood is not loading. I'm trying to wait to see what's happening with the charts. One second. Yeah, Bitcoin is hitting above 25,000. One moment, guys. I'm trying to get some charts for you guys. NASDAQ is still down 1%. Dow is down 1.6%. S&P is down 1.6%. Let me see. TradingView is the best. Right? Like, I'm not making this up, right? Gabe, all the PPI came in lower than expected. Maybe this is fudged, like you said. But if I'm not mistaken, everything came in much lower than expected. TradeView. Let me see. TradeView. The report came in actually a lot better than expected. We're well below. I'm actually surprised that the markets are not going up, but I want to see what's happening and why the markets are not going up. TradingView. Does TradingView have crypto and everything as well? It does have crypto. Let me see. TradingView. Yeah, we're going to see what's going to end up happening, but that was our PPI numbers right here. Those were our PPI numbers. I am waiting for what's happening with the markets right now. Bitcoin is staying at 25,000. Ethereum staying at 16,091. Pre-market, NASDAQ, Dow, S&P, it's starting to move up a little bit. NASDAQ is down 1.3%. Dow Jones is down 1.7%. S&P is down 1.65%. I do anticipate these things to go up today. Sometimes the market is good. Yeah. So the PPI report, whatever came out, we smashed it. It's lower than expected. So we came in not hotter, but colder than expected. This is going to open up the door for Jerome Powell to raise by. You're going to teach me on Monday. That's going to be Monday. Gabe is going to teach me how to use TradingView because I'm tired of not being able to pull up a screen to show you guys. So, yeah. Plus 2 wrongs don't make a right, but 3 make a left. Yeah. So the numbers came in better than expected. In theory, the market should rally. Not sure why it didn't yet, but it's still really, really early. And now the Federal Reserve, they're going to have a meeting next week. Join me live. I believe it's going to be the 21st of next week. Join me live. I'm going to be filming it live on this channel. And I think the Federal Reserve is now going to go neutral or 25 basis points. I don't think any chance they're going to do 50 basis points personally, but that doesn't mean that I'm right or wrong. By the way, guys, if you guys want a really cool Hadara or Algorand cup, let me know. I do have a merchandise store. Hadara, HBAR, Hadara, Hashgraph, Hello Future. Wait for the market to digest the report. Plus, it's still pre-market. Yeah. The market should go up today. The market should be bullish today. I did buy yesterday TQQ, and TQQ is extremely bullish positions. I also bought TQQ call options for exactly 1 week. Gabe is going to kill me for doing call options on a leveraged ETF. But yeah, you hope they do 50 basis points. We'll see. We'll see. I think they need to do 50 basis points. I think that inflation's still here, but I also think that they don't know what to do. There's nothing that they could do right now. It really, really is crazy what's happening right now with the market and everything. We'll see what ends up happening. Bitcoin still 25,000. Let's see. NASDAQ. Let's do Wall Street Journal. Let me see if there's any reports out. Retail sales fell in February. Let's see the report. All right, hold on. Let me present the report. Let me present the report. Share screen. All right, this is from Wall Street Journal. Spending fell. Actually, let me move this for you guys. All right. Retail sales fell in February. Spending fell 0.4% as consumers tapped the brakes. Retail spending fell 0.4% in February, showing consumers are tapping the brakes after a fast start to the year. U.S. consumers have shown surprising vigor in early but households are under pressure from continued high inflation and uncertainty about the path of interest rates. Consumer inflation advanced 6% in February from earlier this year. Average hourly earnings for private sector. Oh, this is a report on the CPI. My bad. This is a CPI report. This is a CPI report. This is a really good video if you guys want to watch in the future. Markets are starting to go up. I hope so, man. I hope so. Let me show Gabe my play. Hold on. Let me show Gabe my play. Let me show Gabe my play. 1 second. Guys, I'm going to pull up options that I bought yesterday. The option is on TQQQ, which is a 3x leveraged NASDAQ play. And I will show you guys what I bought yesterday. Let's see what Gabe thinks. 1 second. Who is this idiot? You're a moron, my friend. You're a moron. And PulseX is a moron. And you are a moron. And you are a waste of brain cells because you are a freaking moron. Block. Stocks here in Europe tanked heavily because of the Credit Suisse bank. Yeah, I saw the Credit Suisse. That's crazy. I saw the Credit Suisse. Okay, let's see. Let's share my screen. Present. Share screen. Let's do a window. Let's do this. Let's share this. So I ended up buying this right here, Gabe. I ended up buying a $22 call for the TQQQ. And I bought 5 contracts. So we'll see what's going to happen. We'll see what's going to happen. The expiration, Gabe, is 3/24. I did a short term. Gabe said that if you're going to buy an options trade on something that's leveraged, you should only do short term. Don't do long term because there's too much volatility. So, yeah, I bought it for the expiration in a week from now. I bought 5 contracts, and I need TQQQ at $23.51 to break even. Da-da-da-da. That's it. That's my play. That's my play. I bought 5 contracts at $1.51, Gabe. That's the play. Hopefully, I'm going to make money. Also, I put TQQQ in the public portfolio. By the way, I have a public portfolio. I used to share that with my Patreon. Since I no longer have Patreon, I will be sharing my public portfolio with my channel members on my stock channel. Not because of the volatility, because of the theta decay will be a killer. Okay. Let's see. How is NASDAQ doing? Yeah, NASDAQ is still down, man, pre-market. That's so interesting. I would honestly expect for it to go up, not down. It's very, very weird for me. Can I interest you in 0 DTE options? DTE. Are you talking to me, Hippo, or are you talking to Gabe on that one? In any case, guys, that's your report. We ended up getting into a good report. The report came in better than expected. The market did not go up yet as expected, and I really don't know what exactly is going to happen. Guys, thank you very, very much. I appreciate it. I'm going to go make 1 million videos right now. I hope this helps you, and have a great day.